What's up, family? Miguel here with Forex Evolved, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing the second part of the first video that I uploaded. And the title, I believe, should have been Reason Why Most Forex Traders Fail. And we spoke about how most new traders, they completely lack the experience, therefore the confidence, therefore they tend to burn out or give up or blow up too soon. And that's from just the wanting to get rich quick right off the gate, placing just random trades, no real edge, no back testing done. They have no clue why they're taking the trade, when they're gonna get out, no clue as far as anything. And that's what damages traders, is just wanting to get that quick money, that rush. And traders, they don't really put the work in. All the successful traders that I know, they all work hard constantly on the charts every day, grinding, backtesting, looking at plays, looking at charts, looking at patterns, looking at order flow, looking at all kinds of things. And the more you have, the more screen time you have, the more comfortable you get with the charts fluidity and with certain, whether you're trading US 30, SPX 500, NAS 100, doesn't matter, gold. The more you look at something, the better of a feel you get for that. And so when you start out, always start small. Start small. Don't risk what you can't lose, because confidence comes from experience. And with that said, I would recommend increasing size based on how comfortable you feel with that size. So let me explain. If you feel uncomfortable when you place a trade, I would say decrease your size. But on the other hand, if you feel too comfortable, I would say increase. So you have to find that sweet medium where you're not too uncomfortable or too comfortable, to the point where you can still perform while you're in the trade, and you let your game plan pan out. So guys, stay in the game, back test, look at charts, and start small. I would recommend, if you want to just back test, of course, paper trade, but eventually use real money, because that's when your emotions will come into play, and that's what truly matters. Because when you paper trade, you don't get those emotions that you do, because at the end of the day, it could go to zero, whatever the case may be. You'll be fine, and that's not what we're here to do. We want to be able to dissect our brain while we're in the trade, how we're feeling, the emotions that came up. Were we upset that we closed out the trade too soon? How did we feel afterwards? Things of that nature is what you need to be paying attention to. So yeah, that's the second part. I will be covering more topics in the near future. If you guys would help out the channel, it would help me out, help a lot of people out. Just give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more. See you guys.